Okay, my dear students, so in this video we are going to have a look on the different types of sources of water. Different types of sources of water. Okay, sources of water. So basically, sources of water are of two types. The first one is surface water, and the other one is underground water. What do I mean by this? Sources, the place, the area from where we get water. Basically, we get water either from surface or from underground. So that is why the sources of water can be broadly classified into two types: surface water or underground water. Surface water, you already know. Surface, the water that is available on the surface of earth, that is on the surface of land, that is like lakes, ponds, rivers, seas, etc. Okay, so these sources of water are termed as surface sources, surface water. Why? Because water is available on the surface of the land, whereas when water coming from the rain, that is the rainwater, when it seeps through, rainwater or the water in the water bodies like lakes and ponds and rivers, when they seep through the earth, when they seep through or they seep into the ground to collect above the non-porous rocks as underground water. Okay, what do I mean by that? If you look at this picture, rain is coming down. Okay, rain is coming down, and you see that this is the soil, the mud, the surface on which we walk. So the rainwater, it seeps into this layer of the earth and it is stored above these non-porous rocks. Non-porous means not having holes, that is you can say waterproof. Yes, waterproof. So they get stored above these waterproof rocks or non-porous rocks, and this is what underground water means, because it is under the ground. And how you are getting the underground water? Either the water from the water bodies like lakes, ponds, seas and oceans, they seep into the ground and they get stored above the non-porous rocks, or the rainwater falling down seeps into the ground and gets stored above the non-porous rocks. So this is what underground water is. Okay, so underground water examples: tube wells. You can get underground water from tube wells, wells, and some natural springs as well. Okay, if you don't know the meaning of natural springs, Google it, you will find the picture, inshallah. Okay, so you understood that surface water is the source of water. The water that is available on the surface of the land, that is the source, which is termed as surface water. The water which is available underground is termed as the groundwater or the underground water. Clear?